What's going on, guys? It's Cody here with Tactical Traders, and I just want to go over ticker symbol OCGN. Now, this one popped up on my scanners early this morning with some crazy volume, and I just want to go over why I thought this might be a good pick for going long this morning. Now, the previous day it closed around 5:31, and why it popped up on my scanners was the pre-market volume and after-market action that happened, where it did reach a high of 962. Now, it did retrace a little bit. The price did open up around 890. Now, I thought this might be just a good time to go long and capitalize on, maybe a 50-cent gain for a day trade. But given how many people are watching this and how long I could considerably see this go, I decided to hold on to it a little bit longer than expected. Now I'm going to scroll a little bit to the right. Now we have a breakout here. Just going to get a little bit closer for you guys. So we had a breakout up to 1080, which was pretty considerable, and it quickly gave up those gains to retest the 979 breakout area where I had originally had that previous high from the pre-market. Now, once I saw this volume spike here, when it bounced on the previous resistance that is now support, I knew this was also a good time to alert the channel to go long at $10. Now, seeing the volume pick up and get above the 13 EMA, and obviously it got above this blue line, which is the VWAP, that was a considerable sign that this might actually continue to go a little higher. And now I'm scrunching the chart down just so you can see how far this actually did get to run. Now, it ran to around 1389 before it did the same exact thing where it hit a high and then gave up about 50% of its price action, falling back down to 1075, where it did find the VWAP to hold above and continued to channel sideways while not necessarily breaking the 1296, but getting considerably closer to it. Now, as it starts to channel to the side, I decided to hold on to this. Our chat room was made aware of OCGN and the crazy move it made. It was already up 100%, and now it has decided to go full beast mode up to 200%, getting to a high of 1877. And we are currently still in this right now, given that, look at this price action, given that it did fall all the way back down to 1290. But I can kind of see a bigger move here. If this can actually hold, I can probably see this hit $20 just because we're so close to it. Hitting that high of 1877 was nice, but now that we're going to the end of the day, I see that we're still above this blue line, which is the VWAP on the 1 hour chart. I'm going to draw another trend line to potentially give me a better area to see where we could possibly gap up for tomorrow. And I'm giving myself this range to do so, and it's going to be between $21 and $17.34. So I can see the price dropping down as low as $11.21, but continuously, as long as this holds the trend, I can see it go up to $18.39. As far as I'm concerned, there's no reason for it to not continue this run. So moving forward with this stock, where is it going to go? Well, I think that we can possibly retest that 21, 22 area. So where are we trying to go tomorrow for OCGN? Is it still too late to get in? I don't think so. I think this is actually still in a pretty good spot to maybe get to the highs that it was previously at, around 1877, which I would be happy to sell at. But I think that we're probably going to see $20. And that's probably where I'm going to cash out too. Honestly, guys, don't try to chase something that's going to earn you. But at the same time, there's still money to be made on this. And I think people are just now getting to seeing the potential that this stock does have.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or concerns, feel free to drop a comment down below and we'll get right back to you. But if you want a more immediate response, just join the chat room. We'll get back to you right away. All you have to do is go to tacticaltraders.com, scroll down, hit the link for the free trial, and you'll be in the chat room in no time. But until next time, stay on target.